What is going on, guys? Today we're here at Elmendorf Lake again, and all because the city still has a ban as far as traveling and being out in a bunch of public places. So I came back over here. It's a little bit windy, but I came with my power pole to anchor me down and hopefully see how that works out here. Also brought a few buddies out here, David and Tony, and we're gonna see if we can get them on some bass. Now we are gonna be keeping our 6 feet distance away from each other and make sure that we're not breaking any laws. But ultimately, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna look for some bass. I checked out the barometer today. We got some really good fishing that we should hopefully run into. Stay tuned. Oh! Finally. Whoa, wait, dude. Whew. There we go. Hell yeah. Oh man, lost an arm. Oh, we're still gonna use it. Whoa! What's going on, man? I'm fishing, man. I'm fishing. I'm catching fish.
Yeah, nice.
Come here. Oh, hell yeah. This is a fat one, man. 18 inches. Felt you! I know I felt you! Ah! Get off! Get in! There's another one. Nice little beauty. Ouch. There's another chunky. There's another one. Huh? Told me what? There you go. Yeah.
Alright, buddy. Thanks for coming in the boat.
Don't lose him. Don't lose him, man. Come on. Get him in. Yeah.
Yeah, miss it.
Oh, got him. Yep. Woo, spunky little one. Nah, he's a keeper. Killed it on the crawfish. Look at that. Woo! Alrighty, we're ending our day. We're calling it quits. We are done for Saturday. Tomorrow we're hitting Medina Lake, and hopefully we'll have just as good of a day as we did today. If I count all the bass, I think I'm at 11 bass. So I caught some pretty good ones. The biggest one I caught was about 18 inches. Not official size. I didn't have my hog trough with me, but from where I'm estimating that, it should have been about an 18-inch bass. But we had an awesome day. I went through a whole pack of Guggen baits. It seems like they didn't want to hit the Strike King Rage Craw, but you know, we found them. Black and blue was the color. Weightless Texas rig. They were biting. So y'all have a good day, guys. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.